Hello everyone, good evening. I am Cadet 4th Class Paragas Matthew D from BSMT 1 Alpha. And now we are going to talk about what compassion is. So let's proceed. First thing first, compassion is a deep feeling of empathy and concern for others' well-being. It involves recognizing and understanding the suffering or struggles of others and being motivated to alleviate that suffering in some way. Compassion is expressed through acts of kindness, support, and understanding towards not only individuals but also towards the environment. In caring for the environment, compassion can be demonstrated through actions that promote sustainability, conservation, and protection of natural resources. This can include reducing waste, minimizing carbon footprint, supporting eco-friendly practices, and advocating for policies that prioritize environmental preservation. Compassion towards the environment involves acknowledging the interconnectedness of all living beings and understanding the importance of safeguarding the planet for future generations. When it comes to caring for others, compassion manifests in various ways, such as offering a listening ear to someone in distress, volunteering for charitable causes, providing assistance to those in need, or simply showing kindness and empathy in everyday interactions. Compassionate actions contribute to building a more supportive and inclusive community where individuals feel valued, understood, and cared for. Communal discernment plays a crucial role in fostering a more compassionate society. Both at the university, in Pan Pacific University, and on a global scale, communal discernment involves the collective process of reflecting, discussing, and making decisions that consider the well-being of the community as a whole. By engaging in communal discernment, individuals come together to share perspectives, values, and expertise to address complex issues and challenges facing society. In making Pan Pacific University in the world a more compassionate place, communal discernment allows for collaborative efforts to identify and prioritize areas where compassion can be amplified. Through open dialogue, active listening, and respectful communication, communities can work towards creating policies, initiatives, and practices that promote empathy, justice, and care for both individuals in the environment. Similarly, on a global level, communities that engage in communal discernment can collectively strive towards creating a more compassionate world where the well-being of all beings is prioritized and sustainable solutions are implemented to address social challenges. Ultimately, by embracing compassion, caring for others and the environment, and incorporating communal discernment into decision-making processes, we can create a more empathetic, supportive, and sustainable world for everyone. And also, compassion is the heartfelt acknowledgement of others' suffering and the genuine desire to alleviate it. It involves empathy, kindness, and a selfless attitude towards helping those in need. This can be expressed in caring for the environment by recognizing the interconnectedness of all living beings and taking actions to preserve and protect our planet for future generations. When it comes to caring for others, compassion manifests through acts of kindness, understanding, and support. It could involve offering a listening ear to someone in distress, providing assistance to those facing challenges, or standing up against injustices to advocate for equality and fairness. Through open dialogue, active listening, and collaborative efforts, we can work together to promote understanding, kindness, and inclusivity, creating a more compassionate and supportive environment for everyone. At ito pa ang pagpapaliwanag ko tungkol sa compassion. Ang compassion kasi ay kumbaga ba kailangan kasi sa compassion is may malasakit ka, at pinag-uusapan dito rin sa compassion yung mga environment natin, paano pangalagaan, ganun. Halos lahat nasa compassion na eh. Ang malasakit kasi hindi lamang pakikiramay, kundi ito rin yung aktibong hakbang na tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng iba. Ipinapakita rin sa compassion kung paano tayo sumuporta sa ibang tao para lang mapagtagumpayan yung iba pang mga plano natin para sa mga future generations, gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina. Sa pangangalaga sa kapaligiran is yun ang unang problema, kasi marami sa mga tao, marami ngayon ay parang halos lahat tamad. Katulad na lang sa mga activities sa Pan Pacific University. Kapag parang may activities tayo na clean up drive, ganun, is hindi siya, maraming mga estudyante yung hindi uma-attend kung hindi mo pa tatakutin. Ganun yun eh. Kaya importante rin sa atin yung malasakit talaga. Saka importante rin sa atin sa compassion. Tuturuan tayo dito kung paano ka makisama sa iba, paano mo siya mahihikayat na pumunta sa activities na iyon. Kasi nga, ayun nga. Tapos sa pagtulong naman sa kapwa is, kung tutuusin, halos lahat tayong Pilipino matulungin tayo. Kaso nga lang kasi may mga ibang Pilipino na matitigas ang ulo. Karamihan din sa Pan Pacific University ganun eh. Masihihilain ka pa pababa ng mga alam mong mas lamang sa'yo. Kung tutuusin, walang tao na bobo. Tamad mayroon. Naniniwala ako dun. Kaya masasabi kong ang pagtulong sa kapwa is, para sa akin, kaya kong gawin. Kasi marami na rin sa department ng Maritime ang mga natulungan ko, lalo na sa mga subjects namin na like ito, mga video, ganyan. Kaya ang pagtulong sa kapwa, hindi rin basta-basta eh. Dito masusukat kung gaano ka kadeterminadong tulungan yung isang kapwa mo para umangat kayo pareho, walang lamangan, ganun. Saka yung communal discernment na tinutukoy ko, ito yung kung paano kayo magdesisyon, like teamwork, ganun. Kasi sa departamento ng Maritime, kung tutuusin, masasabi kong halos hindi lahat nagtutulungan doon eh. May mga ibang mga kadete na nagtutulungan upang mapasa nila yung subjects na kailangan nilang ipasa. Kasi hindi naman natin masasabing lahat ng tao is, lahat ng estudyante sa PU is pantay-pantay yung kaalaman pagdating sa mga subjects na yan. So, mga ibang kadete na mas may alam sa subjects na ito is tutulungan niya yung isa pang kadete para lang makapasa siya. Ganun magtulungan mga kapwa ko kadete. Dahil sabi rin ng aming kapitan, bakit kami maghihilahan pababa kung sa barko is kami naman ang magkakasama? Yun yung tinatatak ko lagi sa isip ko. So, ayun lang po. Once again, I am Cadet 4th Class Paragas Matthew D from BSMT 1 Alpha. Thank you very much.